Hi guys, I'm here. I'm here to teach you SST. I think most of the students they don't know me that which subject I'm teaching. By face you know me, but by which subject I'm teaching you don't know because I'm not teach you in UKG class because I'm teaching from standard 1. So you came right now from UKG to 1. So I'm introducing myself that like I'm Arpita. So I'm Miss Arpita teaching you the SST subject and SST as well as English because before the summer vacation I'm teaching you the subject English, and I think I have given a lots of homework in English before the summer vacation, and I hope that you guys had written already in copy. And once school will open, I want all the homework, but it should be in good handwriting and legible handwriting. And because I have all the data, so whenever the school will open, I want all the homeworks. So it's better that you have a lots of time. It's maybe 1 month, after 1 month or 1.5 months the school will open. So please you can complete your work at time. So whenever the school will open, you will not be in trouble. So let's start the chapter. I think in last videos I taught you about the families, and so in this topic I will tell you about small family and large family. But before, just memorize that whatever in last videos are there. In last videos I taught you about my families, like your surnames are there, and I have given some homework also in book that you have to paste your family members photo, and then downside you have to write down their names. So that homework you have to do it kindly. Please complete that homework in book. So whenever the school will open, I will ask you the homework. So please show me the homework. And I told that we have two kinds of family members. In this chapter you have to learn about only two types of family members, two kinds of family members. First is small family and the second is large family. So I taught you about the small families like in short ways so that you can keep it in mind. If in one family 4 or 5 members, 2, 3, 4, 5 members are there, that family are called small family. Means their parents and their children are there, that family are called small family. Big family is what? Whose big family is called if there are 15, 16, 18, 20 members are there, 25, that family are called large family. Like grandparents are there. Grandparents means grandmother, grandfather. Then parents are there like mother and father, aunt and uncles are there, their sons and daughter, cousins are there, siblings are there. So that families are called large family. Now just let's go to the book that what is written about the large and small family. So we will go to the line by lines, then I will explain you the chapter. So here we go. And I told that please put your pencil in your hand. So whenever I will told to underline, so you have to underline it. This is a picture of a small family. Means in your right side, your picture is there, small family. Just see here, small family. In this picture you can see that parents are there and their children, means mother, father, and then both their children. So that family are called, this family are called small family or a small family. Next, a small family has parents. Means a small family, in small families parents are there like mother and father, and one or more children living together, or maybe one child are there, or maybe 2, 3 childs are there that living together, that lived together. That family are called small family. Means just now I have told that if 3 person, 4 person, 5 members are there in family, that family are called small family. So here is like that also written that a family has, a small family has parents and one child or more childs living together, that family are called small family. Next is the parents of our parents are called our grandparents. Means who is our parents and their parents, that are called grandparents. parents, especially we are calling the grandfather and grandmother. So the parents of our parents means our parent is there, then our grandparents are there. So parents of our grandparents, parents of our parents are called grandparents. The father of our parents means who is the father of our parents, that parents are called, is known as our grandfather. So if the father of your parents is known as grandparents. Next, the mother of our parents is known as our grandmother. And the mother, who is mother, lady, if mother of our parents is known as grandmother. I hope you understood about the grandfather, grandmother. Grandfather is what? The father of our parents. That so parents is known as grandparents. The parents, the father of our parents are called grandparents, and grandmother, the mother of our parents, is known as grandmother. Next, we should respect our parents and grandmothers. Means we have to respect our parents and grandparents. What do you call your grandparents in your mother tongue? Write it here. Means from your mother tongue, what are you calling to your grandparents? So you have to write down here, one blank are there, you have to write down. If you are calling the like dada, pa, dadaji, dadi, so whatever the mother tongue is there, that you have to write down here. So this one is also you have to complete it. If you don't, then after finishing the online classes, you can ask with your parents and then you can write down here the so in blank. Next is, this is a picture of large family. I'm showing you the picture. Down pictures is there, this one. See how many members are there. Like I'm showing you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 members are there. So this family is called a large family. This family is called a large family. So let's go to the topic. A large family has parents. In a large family we have parents. In parents, the 2 person came, mother and father. So in large family we have parents, mother and father, children and their children, grandparents. In grandparents again 2 members came, like our grandmother and grandfather. Uncles and aunts means our uncles and aunts and their children, which they are called cousins. So that family, if they live together, that family are called large family. That family are called large family. Again I am repeating, you just listen carefully. If in a family we have parents, children, grandparents, uncles, aunts and their children live together, that family are called large family. I hope you guys understood about the small families and large family. I think you will not get any problem to understand this chapter about my family. Now in yellow part inside, you just see that did you know is there. Here the yellow part. Just see that what is written there. In India, we call our grandparents by different names in different languages. So in India we have many different languages are there. So we are calling our grandparents with different names in different languages. So that it's a different language where different states then different languages are there. So I hope you guys understood. The chapter has completed. The homework I will upload you on the website, so please go there and you can write down the homework. New words are there, 5 new words like parents, siblings, grandparents, uncle and aunt. So 5 new words are there. If you have the book, please go through the book and please write down it in copy, and the exercise, question answer and the tick the correct option that I will give you on the website. And again I will back to next day to teach you same subject, but chapter is new. So please attend your online classes. Thank you and have a nice day.